How we doing, boaters? Gonna walk you through this 2026 Supra SL 450. Beautiful boat we designed here at Nisswa. Everything you need in a boat is gonna be on this Supra. Starting at your transom. Nice remote here, so whoever's sitting in this seat, you get to control the audio for the day. You have a huge ski storage locker. Fits plenty of boards in here. Really nice space to use. Walking into the boat, you have huge walkthrough. It's also all on the gator step, so you don't need to step on any of the seats. Right here is your convertible rear seat, so you can flip this backwards. Watch all the surfers. They also equip this with the powered bimini, so super slick. Touch of a button, your bimini goes out. Also puts back in 26 speakers on this boat with DSD audio. Super sweet. Everything on a Supra is standard, so clamping board racks. You also get your dual screens here. They redid this for 2026, so the camera clarity is super clean. You also have everything at the touch of your fingertips here. Really nice feature. Walking to the front, you can flip this over, have an additional seat, armrest, really nice area, really good spot to hang out, very comfortable. This boat, absolutely beautiful. It's at MarineMax Nisswa, so come and check it out.